The bizarre case of the Red Room. Myth, fact, or fiction? Imagine browsing the dark web late at night when you stumble upon a link. It claims to lead to a Red Room, a live-streamed torture site where viewers can pay to control the victim's fate. But is this real, or just an urban legend? Origins of the Red Room myth. The Red Room myth first emerged in online horror stories, often linked to the dark web. It was rumored that for the right price, you could watch and even command unspeakable crimes in real time. But where did this idea really come from? The legend draws inspiration from snuff films, cyber folklore, and the fear of the unknown depths of the internet. But to date, no real Red Room has been proven to exist. Debunking the myth. Cybersecurity researchers argue that Red Rooms would be nearly impossible to operate. Streaming high-quality video on the dark web is difficult due to bandwidth limitations, and law enforcement agencies, including the FBI, have found no concrete evidence of Red Rooms in action. That said, the dark web is not without its horrors. There have been disturbing cases of black market crime, human trafficking, and illegal live streams, but nothing matching the extreme claims of Red Rooms. Real-world incidents that fueled the fear. While no Red Room has ever been confirmed, some cases have given people reason to believe. Take Peter Scully, the convicted criminal behind some of the most heinous dark web content ever discovered. His crimes were real, but they were not Red Rooms as the myth suggests. There have also been hoax sites claiming to be Red Rooms designed to scam people into paying Bitcoin for a stream that never existed. Fact or fiction? So, is the Red Room real? Based on evidence, it's more of a cyber legend than reality. However, the dark web still hides many disturbing truths. While Red Rooms may be fiction, the crimes lurking in the shadows of the internet are very real. Subscribe for more deep dives into the dark web and cybercrime mysteries. Stay safe and remember, never trust what you can't verify.